Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a background animation using TS Particles. This animation creates colorful and moving particles on the screen. Let's get started. We have a simple structure for this animation. First, we copy the CDN link and add it to the HTML. I've also left the link in the description for those who want to access it. But we need to make a small change to this link for the animation to work. Inside the section, we add a div with the ID TS Particles. Let's move on to JavaScript. First, we use the TS Particles load function to start the animation. This link provides a sample template. We don't need the interactivity feature for this animation, so we can remove it. This makes the animation smooth and helps with performance. In the Particles section, we use 5 soft and bright colors for the particles. We also remove the links feature. In the Move section, we control the particle movement. The Out modes is set to bounce, so the particles bounce back when they hit the edge. Particles move randomly on the screen. In the Number section, we control how many particles are on the screen. In the Size section, we control the particle size and animation. The animation is enabled and the minimum size is set to 1. We also add emitters to create new particles from the center. The emitters rate creates 3 particles every 0.3 seconds. The size is set to 0 because the emitter has no visible shape. The position is set to the center of the screen. Let's move on to CSS. Now we will style the particle container. The overflow is set to hidden so the particles don't go outside the screen. This makes the animation cover the full section. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tutorials. Thanks for watching.